Hello students, today's class is EVS. Today we will revise the second part of our sense organs. In the previous class we have revised the functions of eyes and functions of ears. So children, what are the functions of eyes? Eyes help us to see. And what do you see? You can see the different objects around us, and we can see the color of the object, size of the object, and whether the object is very near or very far. Example, a tree. A tree is very big. And another example, a flower. A flower, rose flower, if you take, the color of the rose flower is pink. Now coming to the function of ears, ears help us to hear, and some sounds are very pleasant. You like to hear them, like music. You like to hear the songs. But some sounds, they are very terrifying. You get afraid, like the sound of the thunder. In the current session, we will revise the various functions of nose, tongue and skin. Functions of nose. Our nose helps us to smell things. It also helps us to breathe. So children, what do you breathe? You will take in oxygen rich air and you will give out carbon dioxide rich air. With the help of our nose, we can understand that different objects have different smell. So what are the different objects? Examples. Suppose if you take the food item. Food item smell you can tell. You can tell the smell of the biryani, and you can also tell the smell of the flower. Now children, you can notice that two different flowers smell differently. A rose has a different smell when compared to jasmine. Because the different flowers have different smells, people are making the scents with the different kind of flowers. So rose scent is available and also jasmine scent is available. Similarly, different foods we eat have different smell. Your gulab jamun gives you the sweet smell, whereas your curries, like any curry, example if you take capsicum, it gives different smell. So you can identify the food by its smell. And if anybody is making very good pickle, you can know that somebody is making the mango pickle in their house in the summer season. Now coming to the functions of tongue. Our tongue helps us to know the taste of the food. Our tongue also helps us to speak. With the help of tongue, we can know different tastes such as sweet, bitter, sour and salty. Now look at the different taste. Sour taste, sweet taste, salty taste, bitter taste. So you can know the objects which are having the sour taste. So the object like lemon and tamarind, they have the sour taste. And a chocolate is having the sweet taste, and your potato chips which are available in the market, they are salty, and your bitter gourd is bitter in taste. So children, you love to eat the different kinds of food. We have skin. Now coming to the functions of skin, we have skin all over our body. Skin is the largest sense organ. It helps us to sense the temperature change, such as hot and cold substances. So things whichever we cook, they are very hot, and things which we keep it in the fridge, they are very cold. Now here in this picture you can see the somebody is pinching. So your skin helps us to feel the pain when someone pinches us. So our skin, it also helps us to differentiate the texture of substances such as rough or smooth. If you take the example of pineapple and the apple, when you touch them, you can feel that apple is very smooth and pineapple is very rough. Our skin, it also helps us to differentiate the hard objects from soft objects. If you take the example of the table, when you touch the table, it is very hard to touch. Whereas if you touch any soft toy like teddy bear, it is very soft to touch. Here in this picture, you can see the pillow is very soft to touch, as the pillow is made up of cotton. And here in this picture, a cap or the helmet, they are very hard to touch as they are made up of the metal. Okay, thank you children.